Hi there, I'm Sahana, an emerging tech and South Asian history enthusiast, and one of my biggest goals is to combine those two interests to create a VE, or a virtual environment, in virtual reality that would allow people to learn and discover the most underrepresented parts of South Asian history. This won't be an easy task, but I've been making steps towards this goal by familiarizing myself with the 3D software design platform Blender. I recreated a small portion of this really underrepresented university called Nalanda. It was an ancient Indian university, and I'm really passionate about raising awareness for similar institutions that don't get the recognition they deserve. Now, my latest project is also helping me make more steps towards this goal. I made a glove that you can use to control a virtual object just by moving your fingers. Now for the demo. So this is the glove. We've got two sensors here, as you can see. So these are flex or bend sensors. So when they're bent, they detect a change. So that's what I'm using to control this cube that you can see on the screen here. So when this finger is bent, then it will control how far the cube is to us, and when this one is bent, it'll control the height position of the cube. So I'm going to click the play button now to show you guys how it works. So as you can see, I'm bending this one and it's moving closer and farther depending on how I'm moving it. And then this one controls how high the cube is, so I'm sort of like pushing it down. So in closing, I had a lot of fun with this project. It was pretty much my first exposure to making a major project with circuits like this. And yes, there were a lot of times when I really wanted to break my Arduino board in half, but overall I think it was all worth it. What I like most about this project is that it's very customizable. It's like a blank canvas. There's a lot of ways that we can go with this. Like, yes, right now it's just moving a cube on a screen, but the principle that you can actually move something with your fingers on a screen without touching a keyboard or a mouse or anything is pretty cool. Like, we could turn that into pushing buttons on a VR game, or it could be changing the color of something in VR, using it as a slider. There's a lot of potential for where this can go with just a couple edits to the code and edits to the Unity scene. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.